I'm in the greenhouse and I'm doing maintenance. And I noticed down here in the bags underneath some of the chocolate sprinkle children that some of their tomatoes had dropped down into the bag, and Sprinkles apparently had a bunch of babies. These are all tomato sprouts. And like, I've seen these over the past few weeks growing. I guess it didn't register in my mind that they could possibly be new tomato plants. But I looked down today and confirmed that that's in fact what these all are. So this is actual nature doing what nature does. These are growing out of the fruit, the dried up old fruit from last season. I don't know. I'm witnessing the cycle beginning again. So here I am again with another 100 tomato sprouts. And they're in this bag too. Oh boy. So I'm like plucking the tomatoes with the sprouts out of the dirt and putting them in their own cups so that I can put them someplace that they can get water. I know that you're not supposed to have this many tomato babies growing this close together in the same place, but I'm going to attempt to tease them apart and maybe get them their own individual containers. But in any case, there's a lot. There's so many. I think each one of these clusters probably has like at least, God, I don't know, how many little white stems do you see there? A couple dozen? I don't know. That's a lot. Oh God, I've already, oh boy. I've already put a bunch here near a active water source so that they can get fed, but these are all individual tomatoes as well. There's like, I don't know, like this probably has 2 dozen. At least 2 dozen there. It's like the whole fruit. It's like 100. This entire greenhouse with the 100 tomato plants that grew within it over the past 2 years was the result of 1 tomato.